Okay, so you can also duplicate a layer and the objects on the layer, and it's very easy. So what we're asked to do is underneath the knobs sublayer that we just created, we want to go in and we want to click on the path layer that's there, and we're going to use our modifier key, the Alt key, and we're going to start to drag it up. And you'll notice when we do that, the little clenched fist comes up, but there's a plus symbol next to it. Now, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but at about 5 o'clock around the hand, the lower right-hand corner of the hand icon is a plus symbol. That indicates that you are copying something, you are adding. And so we just click and leave it there at the space between, and you can see we've just created this new path layer. What's important to know is by stacking it up, bringing it up instead of down, it means that we are putting it on top of the other layer. So in the laws of how things would lay on top of each other, this will be first in the foreground and the other objects are going to be receding into the background of the object. So please note that your stacking order replicates how something appears in nature. You don't want your knobs behind your TV box, you want your knobs in front of them so you can actually see them. The other thing that the layer content exercise calls our attention to on page 251 is that we are running into the problem that now our paths, names are getting difficult to read. So we do have the option at any time with any panel is to make it wider. So I'm going to pull it wide so I can see the names of these objects a little bit more clearly. And don't be fooled by the negative space there on the right. It's going to start to eat your names, as you can see. So you do have to pull it out just a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to click here, as is requested in step 4. We're going to click on the small knob in the artwork again. And in this case, we're going to double click on the selection tool as it's asked on step 4. Double click on it to get the move dialog box. Okay, and we're going to change the horizontal position to 0.8 inches and the vertical position to 0. It actually stays at 0. We're just going to click OK. And there we have moved this object to the right and a precise position. At this point, we save our artwork.